Now I'm going to talk about StringBuffer class. Previously I told you about string class, and I told that it is the string classes objects are immutable object. Again I am repeating the same thing, that an object whose state cannot be changed after it is created is known as immutable object. String, integer, byte, short, etc. all wrapper classes objects are immutable, while StringBuffer represents a growable and writable character sequence. Hence this class is used to create mutable or changeable string. Okay, so mutable means a string class I told that it is immutable, and StringBuffer I told it is mutable. Mutable means changeable. Once you create, then after that you can change StringBuffer classes objects. Let's take one example. The class mutable test, then public static void main, then I have taken one string str1 and I have written study java. Now I want to concat tonight with this study java portion. Okay, so I have written str1 dot concat tonight and I printed system.out.println str1. As the string classes objects are immutable, so you can see the output, there is no change, only study java has come as output. So this concat method is actually having no effect on that str1. And string str2, again I have created object new string study and I want to concat java. Again you can see the output as str2 is giving only study. Now look at the example of StringBuffer str3 equals new StringBuffer, and I have taken the string as string and I want to append buffer. So here you have to remember that string class concatenation, if you want to do in the string class, then the method is available as concat, but if you are using StringBuffer, then for concatenation the method will be, you have to use append. So you can see the output of str3, it is giving you StringBuffer. Okay, so by this example you can understand that your string classes objects are immutable and StringBuffer classes objects are mutable. Okay, now we are going to learn several methods, and the first method is append method. In the last slide only we have discussed about append method. Just here once again you look at the StringBuffer sb equals new StringBuffer hello, and then I have written sb.append java. So your system.out.println, whenever you will be writing sb, it will be giving you hello java, and the next one is also will be giving you output as well. Okay, second method is capacity. Capacity method returns the current capacity of buffer, which is by default 16. Remember, this is by default 16. The capacity is the amount of storage available for newly inserted characters, okay, beyond which an allocation will occur. So first we take an example, then we will understand the thing. See here, StringBuffer sb equals new StringBuffer, and I have not passed anything here, so it is pointing actually to null. So string system.out.println, if I write sb.capacity, it will be giving you the capacity of buffer's capacity, default capacity it will be giving, though it is having no string inside it. So it will be giving you output as 16. You can see the output section, it is giving you 16. Okay, then I have written sb.append hello. So my sb is now pointing to an object hello. Okay, and now this hello is having only 5 characters, which is less than 16. So your buffer capacity is still till now 16. Okay, now I have taken one string that is having characters greater than 16. So for this case, what will happen, your whatever is your old capacity, that old capacity will be twice, and you have to add +2 with your old capacity multiplied by 2. Okay, means if your default capacity is 16, then now your new capacity will be 16 multiplied by 2 plus 2, that means 16 multiplied by 2 32, and plus 2 will be giving you 34. So here I have written that old capacity twice the old capacity plus 2. Okay, Next is caret and set caret method. Via caret, value of a single character can be obtained from string buffer, and by the set caret method you can set the value of character using set caret. Okay, so look at the string buffer object SB that is having hello, and you are printing buffer before plus SB. So what is your in your SB? Hello. So this line will be printed buffer before hello. Then system.out.println caret 1 before SB caret 1. Now your SB is containing H E L L O, right? So what is the index position 0? Index position 0 is holding H, index position 1 is holding E, 2 is holding L, and so on, right? Now I want to see what is there at index position 1. So I have written SB.caret 1, and what is there? E, right? So it will be giving you caret 1 before is E. Okay. Now I want to set caret, and I want to set the character of position 1, and I want to set I. Okay. So what is there in the string buffer object SB is holding now HELLO. So first position is having E. There I want to change it by I. So now your SB will be having this string HILLO, right? So buffer. Oh, one more method is I have written here, that is set length. Now I want to change the length of my SB. So I want to set the length of 2. So 2 means length 1 and length 2. So the my SB is having now H and I. After that line SB dot set length 2, and you are getting output as well. Buffer after is HI, and now you want to check what is at character position at 1. So it will be giving you output as I. Understood? Now next method is delete and delete caret method. Delete method deletes a sequence of characters, and you have to pass start index and end index via this method. So you can see whenever I have written string buffer SB because new string buffer hello, and I have written SB dot delete 1 and 3. This 1 is your start index and this 3 is your end index. And remember that I told that start index will be inclusive and end index will be exclusive. Exclusive means end index minus 1 you have to do. So here also you have to calculate that. So what will be deleted from the position 1 to 3 minus 1, that means 2. So position 1 and position 2 will be deleted. So what will be deleted? This E will be deleted and this L will also be deleted. So what will be printed now? It will be printed HLO. Got it? Next, delete caret method. This method deletes the character of given index value. Look at the difference. Delete method, you have to pass start index and end index from where to where you want to delete, and delete caret, that will be deleted the character at the position that is specified, okay, by the location actually. So here string buffer SB1 is containing ABCDFGHI, and you want to delete 3 to 7, position number 3 to end index is 7, 7 means 7 minus 1 6, so 2, that means 3 to 6th position will be deleted. So what is there in 3? 0, 1, 2 and 3, 3 is D, so D will be deleted, 4 E will be deleted, 5th F will be deleted, and 6th G will be deleted, okay. So you will be getting output as A, B, C, H, I, J. Got it? And it will be printed. Next, again I have written one SB string buffer SB3 new string buffer. This is the test. Again I want to delete 4th to 6th position. So this 4th 0 1 2 3 and fourth is your this blank position will be deleted, your I will be deleted, your S will be deleted. So the rest will be this attest. Okay, after this line means after delete you will get this attest. Now what I have done, I have written delete caret 1. So what is there at one position now? My one position means this is my one position now, H is there at the index 1, right? So after delete caret SB3 will be TIS a test. Understood? Delete and delete caret. Next is ensure capacity. This ensure capacity ensures that the capacity of buffer is at least equal to the specified minimum. If the current capacity of buffer is less than the argument, then a new internal buffer is allocated with greater capacity. So yeah, few calculations are there that I am going to tell. Now first look at the example. One class I have taken ensure capacity demo, then within main I have written StringBuffer str equals new StringBuffer, and I wanted to print the capacity, so I have written before ensure capacity str.capacity. So it will be giving you the buffer's default capacity. What is that? 16. So 16 will be printed. Now I want to write str.ensure capacity 19. So I want my buffer's capacity to be 19. So whenever I will be writing like that, what your capacity will be? See here all the calculations are there. If you want a capacity is greater than your buffer capacity, then again the same formula, twice the old capacity and plus 2. So your old capacity was 16, twice it 32 plus 2 34. So after ensure capacity you will get 34. Okay. Then get cache method. This get cache method copy a substring of a string buffer into an array. Okay. So here your string buffer is containing this Java programming. Okay. And whenever you are printing that system.out.println strb, it will be giving you Java programming. Now you have taken one character string, because this method copy a substring. Substring, you know, a part of a string, of that it will be copy a substring of a string buffer into an array. So I have to take one array. So I have taken one character array. I have written TUTORIALS. I have taken all these characters. Okay. Now look at very carefully strb.getCache. When I am doing, I have to pass these things. This first I have written 5, that is your source start, means start index. Then source end means end index minus 1 you have to do, it is because again it is exclusive. Then you have to mention the name of destination array where you want to put it, and this last part, that is your target source. Now with the example only you can understand this. So your target source is str, so there only the effect will be happen. So your target source is target source is having the characters TUTORIALS, and I want to take a part of string. The string is Java programming, string buffer is Java programming, right? String buffer is containing Java programming, this much, and I want to take 5th to 9th position. What is 5th? 0 1 2 3 4, this is 5th position. Okay, 5th 6th 7th 8th 9, this much substring I will be taking, and I want to make the change of this character array. And from where I want to make the change? From the 3rd position. Okay, so where is the 3rd position? 0 1 2, and this is your 3rd position. Okay, so from here only it will be affecting. This P will be coming to this position, your R will be coming to this position, and O will be coming to this position. This position will be changed by G, and this position will be changed by your R. Okay, and whenever you will be printing this system.out.println str, you will get the output as TUT, then PROGR, and then S. I hope you understand this, and for today class this much only. Next class I will be talking about few more methods, So again and again I am telling you one thing only, practice more and more in your PC. Okay.